in terms of DBMS, how the data are stored in a memory, and then how to grouped in data table in a DBMS. Okay, so that is the concept of file organization. Okay, so a database consists of huge amount of data, isn't it? Okay, so the each database stored not a little bit amount of data. This is stored huge amount of data. Okay, so how the data is grouped as like in a table, isn't it? Okay, so the table is the representation of how to stored in a data, isn't it? Okay, but how the data are organized in terms of in a files. Okay, that is called in a file organization in DBMS. Okay, so the each table of data is stored related in a records. Okay, so the user can see the top data is stored in the form of tables, isn't it? Okay, so the tables are stored in a physical memory in form of files. Okay, so here the file organization is also called in a physical organization of stored in a memory. Okay, so you well known that of what is a file, isn't it? Okay, so file is named the collection of related information stored in a secondary storage such as a magnetic disk, magnetic table, optical disk, such that. Okay, so comes upon what is file organization. Okay, so file organization means. Okay, file organization, it defines how file records are mapped onto disk blocks. Okay, so it is simply defines in terms of how the file is organized in various terms of various types of records in the form of title. Yes, take example serial number, student roll number, register number, student name, then date of birth is like in the top type of file in a title, isn't it? Okay, how to identification of each file in the terms of in a database name, isn't it? Okay, so the file structure அப்படின்னு பார்க்கும்போது it is refers to the format of the label and the data blocks of any logical control record. Okay, that is called in a file organization. Okay, so in that file organization, uh, how to contains the optimal selection of record. It is one of the objective. It is used to select the record. If select the records, how to perform the database operations of insert, delete, update transaction on the record. It should be quickly and easily to recover from the secondary storage of the database. Okay, then also avoid duplication of records. If again insert, update and delete the record, isn't it? Okay, so then finally it is given the minimal cost of the storage. The record it should be stored in a efficient manner. That is the objective of the file organization, isn't it? Okay, comes upon the next the file organization. It contains using various methods. Okay, so the each methods have some pros and cons of to access the record from the file, isn't it? Okay, so what are the types of file organizations are there in the top term in a DBMS. Okay, so the types of file organization. Okay, sequential file organization, heap file organization, hash file organization, B plus tree file organization, clustered file organization. Okay, so these are all types used in a secondary storage of stored data in a database, isn't it? Okay, so see one by one the what is what we will discuss. Okay, so the first one is of method how to accessing the record from the file, isn't it? Okay, so first one, sequential file organization. The name is like that, sequential, isn't it? Okay, in this method, the files are stored one after another in a sequential manner. Okay, so there are two types of implemented the method is used. One is pill file method. Okay, so the pill file method in which of the record is stored in a sequence, that is one after another we have to stored in the form of inserted, okay, into the tables. Okay, so see in this figure, so you can easily understood of sequential file organization of using in a pill method. Okay, then another one, insertion of a new record also easily in a sequential manner. Okay, but suppose we have to insert a record in a sequential manner, it is very difficult to only at the end of the file we have to insert the record. Okay, so laterally we discussed how to organize the file or how to organize the sequential in a pill method. Okay, the next one update பார்க்கும்போது that is sorted file method. Okay, so in this method the new record has to be inserted in a either ascending or descending manner. Okay, so the sorting of records may be based on the primary key and another key. Okay, able to understood, you know that of primary key, isn't it? Okay, so the unique key to assign in each file of the record. Okay, that is called primary key. Okay, take example in a student database. Okay, register number is one of the primary keys, isn't it? Okay, that is used in the sorted file method. Okay, so in this method we have to insert the record in a sequential manner of in a sequential manner of at the end of the file, and it should be saved as in a sequence. Okay, then second one in a heap file organization. Okay, so the heap file organization, it works with the data blocks. Okay, so in this method, records are inserted at the end of the file. Okay, so into the data blocks. Okay, it should be like in a data blocks. Okay, so now sorting or ordering is required in this method. If the data block is full, automatically given the new record is stored in some other block. Okay, here the other data block need to be vary, and the next data block it should be have in the memory. Okay, this in this method is respectively store and manage the new records, that is in a heap file organization. Okay, so insertion of heap file organization, the new record have to be assigned in a data blocks. Okay, that is block 1, block 2, block 3. Okay, it is a traverse to the beginning of the file. So the end of the file we have in that file searching is storing. If it is the memory is full, automatically assign the new block and store in the table. Okay, then next in a file organization, in the top the hash file organization. Okay, you know the concept of hashing function, isn't it? Okay, so the hash file organization uses the computation of hash function on some fields of the records. Okay, the hash functions output determines the location of disk block where the records are to be placed. Okay, so the each record is assigned the data blocks of using in a hashing function. Okay, so when the record has to be received using the key columns, the address is to be generated and which record is stored in some way of using either directly or indirectly manner. You also using the operation of in such cases delete and update. Okay, so that's the concept of using b plus sorry hash file organization. Okay, the next one in that of DBMS concept of enhanced file organization method, that is called B plus and then B tree file organization. Okay, so B plus file organization is one of the advanced method in a indexed sequence access method. Okay, it should be like in that of data structure. It is called in a tree-like structure to store the record in a file. Okay, so it uses the same concept of key index, where the primary key is used to store sorted the records. Okay, so the primary keys are such values to be stored in memory. Okay, the B plus tree is similar to the binary search tree, isn't it? Okay, no, the binary tree search tree. And how to more than two children in this method. So all the records are stored only in the leaf node. Okay, so when finding the tree search of root node. Okay, so using in that of leaf node. Okay, so the intermediate nodes act as a pointer to the leaf nodes. Okay, so they contain any records, so that is the matter how to consider in a leaf node. Okay, so the B plus tree using in the top in order of take example 10, 12, 17, 20, 24, 27 and then 29. Okay, this is a ascending order of when records are stored in a sequential manner. Okay, so that is the top of the file of stored using in the intersection node of searching the leaf node. Okay, that is in a B plus tree. Okay, so B plus tree file organization how to stored only in the leaf node, isn't it? Okay, so it is one of the sequential linked list method. It becomes so very easily to insert and update, delete the record from the leaf node. Okay, so when traversing the tree in the file organization in a B plus tree. Okay, it is very easily because all the nodes are when traverse from the leaf node, the next the child node of like in a tree structure. Okay. So the size of the B plus tree has no restriction because all the records are stored in that in a degrees manner. Okay, if it is the data structure of the size is if it, the size is to be grow or string. Okay, in such cases we have to maintain the balanced tree structure. Okay, so because the leaf node is only maintain the records stored using the such operations of insert, update, delete. So those operation is cannot affect the performance of the tree structure. Okay, so that's why it is also called a balanced tree structure. Okay, so in this method, how what disadvantages are there in B plus tree file organization, such that it is not efficient. Okay, so inefficient for the static method, only in a dynamic method of approaches when finding the solution of when store the record in a physical manner. Okay, so using in the data structure of leaf node. Okay, so so this file type of organization used in the database system. Okay, so each file systems has in type of different manner. Okay, so the working process and that of how to recover from the data from the data file. Okay, but these file organizations is a very useful how maintain and recover the data from the database. Okay, so this is the basic concept of using in a file organization of file organization in DBMS. Okay, so these we discussed this concept based on. Okay, now go for discuss one by one in a gate question, previous year gate questions. Okay, so the first question in that of consider a file. Okay, so in that of file, how the data are stored such a kilobytes, isn't it? Okay, so consider the following. Sorry. Okay, consider a file of 16,384 records. Okay, so each record is 32 bytes long and its key field is of size 6 bytes. So the file is ordered on key field, that is non-key field, and the file organization is unspanned. So the file is stored in a file system with a block size 1000 to 24 bytes, and the size of the block, the pointer is 10 bytes. If the secondary index is built on the key field of the file, a multi-level index scheme is used to store the secondary index. The number of the first level and the second level blocks in a multi-level index are respectively. Okay. So given the option A 8 and 20, 128 and 6, 256 and 4, 512 and 5. Okay, so which option is correct? The number of first level, the second level of blocks in a multi-index are respectively. Okay, so mechanism of file storage. Okay, so file organization in the top. Only given the access the data in a frequently manner, isn't it? Okay, so how to manage the files in a physical manner, it is a consideration, isn't it? Okay, so in the top index file, okay, the index means we have to insert record or update the record, delete a record or update a record, isn't it? Okay, so these operations are doing in a physical manner using one of the index file to consist of the records in the form of that is search key pointer to block. Okay, what is the name of search key? That is a index key of when searching the data of database in a physical manner. Okay, so either in the top file organization using sequential hashing, heap file organization, B plus tree file organization. Okay, so the search key it's evaluate the index of fit in memory. Okay, so another one pointer to block. Okay, so the using in a hash file organization. Okay, so the index block is 0. How to organize the data in a manner? Okay, so it is used in the pointer. Okay, so another level of index can be created in the each level. Okay, so the number of records in file is 16,384. Okay, so record size is 32 bytes. Okay, so the key size is 6 bytes. Okay, so the block on the system is 1024 bytes. The size of block pointer 10 bytes. Okay, so the index is called a 10 plus 6 equal to 16. Okay, so the number of blocks in the first level using the number of records in the file. Okay, so 16,384 into 6,024, so 256. Okay, so the second level of entry is 256 into 16. Okay, so the number of second level we have to multiply by divide equal to 4. Okay, so what are the first level of the multi-index are respectively? It is stored in the record, isn't it? Okay, so the answer is 256 and 4. Okay, so the first and the second level index. Okay, so here I explained using in the top. Okay, again I told that the number of records in the file is 16,384, isn't it? The record size is 32 bytes. Okay, key size is 6 bytes. Okay, block size is 1024 bytes. Okay, so size of the block pointer is 10 bytes. Okay, so size of the record, we find the index. Okay, index is block pointer plus வந்து key ஓட size. Okay, so 10 plus 6 equal to 16. Okay, here, so I take, okay, so now take a pencil. Okay, so number of records, isn't it? Okay, so the number of records in the block equal to 16,000. Okay, uh, 16,300, 16,000. Okay, 384. Okay, so number of key pointer size equal. So pointer equal to 6. Okay, so the key value, the key block of size equal to 10. Okay, so upper we have to find total key pointer key pointer in a block. Okay, it's a very important question. Okay, so we have to calculate the block. Okay, so how much? So already we know that the total bytes of the total bytes in a block is 32 bytes, isn't it? Okay, so 10 plus 6 equal to 60 bytes. Okay, so this is the first. Okay, so what is the question for given in the term? Okay, so the question is given first and second level index, that is a multi-level index of blocks, how to stored respectively. Okay, so we have to consider the number of blocks in the first level. Okay, so number of records in a file and then disk or the block size. Okay, so number of records, the first level, level. Okay, so number of records. Okay, the number of records in a level. Okay, so how many records of given, that is equal to 1000. Okay, 16,384. Be able to follow me? Okay, 16,384. Okay, so disk block size. Okay, so into 16 already we find in the index entry, isn't it? Okay, so 16,384. Okay, then into 16. Okay, into 16 already 16 we find it, okay, we find it, okay, by disk coder block size. How much? 1024. Okay, so what is the output? So the answer is mm, 256. Okay, so here the 16,384 into 6. Okay, so 16. So here by 60. Okay, totally 256. Okay, so again the second level index is same also method we find it. Okay, so 256 already we got the first level index. Okay, so 256 into 6. Okay, 256 equal to, so 256 into 16. Okay, so how much the bytes is uh, stored? 1024. Did you able to follow me? Okay, so the answer is 4 to 56 into 16. Okay, 6 into 6. Okay, 36 by 4 into 1024 divided by how much? 24. Okay, so which our answer is correct. Okay, so that is 256 and 4. Okay, okay. Now we got the answer, isn't it? Okay, so I have to stop the whiteboard. Okay, um, we move to, now I move to PPT. Okay, so this type of question is many times asking. Okay, so first of all, we know that of formula. Okay, how the file stored uh, in a manner of multiple index using in a sequence order. Okay, able to follow me? Okay, so number of blocks in a first level, number of blocks in a second level, where how to fit a memory using in the search index and pointer to the block. Okay, so using in that of file, how size is 16,384 records, isn't it? Okay, so the given the option 8 and 0, 128 and 6, okay, 256 and 4, 512 and 5, isn't it? Okay, the option we got the answer for such that here, okay. So number we got the answer for option C, 256 and 4. Able to follow me? Okay, so this is very important question. Okay, so the formula first we seen about number of records in the file, isn't it? Okay, then record size, key size, block size on the file system, then the size of the block pointer we first consider. Okay, then also find the index entry. Okay, that is 10 plus 6 equal to 16. Okay, so then another the step we find the index level of first level and then second level. Okay, so in this level we find use the formula of a number of records in file by disk block size. Okay, so totally we got 256. Okay, another one we apply the second level index entry. Okay, that is 4. Okay, so the answer is 256 and 4. Okay, so the first question is very tough. Okay, at the same time, we know the formula and then solve it. Okay, the second question: which of the following statement is not correct under the B plus tree and the B plus tree data structure used for creating an index of relational database table? Okay. So this is a very simple question. Okay, which statement is not correct in a B plus tree data structure? Okay, so one is B plus tree is the highest balanced tree. Okay, height balanced tree. Okay, non-leaf nodes have pointers to data records. Okay, then third one, each leaf node has a pointer to the next leaf node. Yes. Okay. The key values is in each node are kept in a sorted order. Okay. So given the question is not the correct answer, isn't it? Okay. So the first one is B plus tree is a balanced tree. Okay. Already I told that in B plus file organization. Okay, so A option is correct. Okay, the B option, non-leaf nodes have points to the data records. Okay, so the wait panel. Then option C, each leaf node is a point to the next leaf node. Yes, the each leaf node is a point to the what is the next child node of leaf node, isn't it? So the option is correct. Then fourth one is the key values of each node kept in a sorted order, isn't it? Okay, the B plus tree file organization used for only in a sequential of sorted order. Okay, so the option B is incorrect. Okay, so B plus tree is non-leaf nodes have pointers to the next level of nodes, but not to the data records. Only to the next level of the nodes we have to find in a data structure of file organization. Able to follow me? Okay. So the next question we discussing the reference of saying B plus tree. Okay, so see in this figure given for with reference to the B plus tree index of order shown below, the minimum number of nodes, it including root node that must be fetched in order to satisfy the following query. Get all records with a search key greater than or equal to 7 and less than 15 is. Okay, so given the question is clearly we know that of B plus tree. Okay, isn't it? Okay. So the index of tree given that the minimum number of nodes that is a root node that must be fetched in order to satisfy the following query. What is the query? Get all records with a search key. It is greater than or equal to 7, less than 7. Okay, so given the tree structure of B plus tree, okay, so leaf node is a 9. Okay, So first node, the middle node, and the next node, isn't it? Okay, 9, the left node of 5, the right node of 13, 17, again 5 below of 1, 3, 5, 7, and the 9, 11, the point to the leaf node of 13, 17, 13, 15, 17. Okay, so what is the question? Get all the records with the search key. Okay. It's greater than or equal to 7, less than 15. Greater than or 7, it should be less than 15, isn't it? Okay. So, what is the leaf node of the value? That is 9. Okay. Able to follow me? Okay. So, what is the in between of value is equal to 7 and less than 15? Okay, so 9 below of 5, 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so here in the leaf node of the right node is 13, 17 is this is it should be greater than value of in 13, 17, isn't it? Okay, so the value in between of 1 to 17. Okay, the range of value it is shorted order in the top the 1 to 17, isn't it? Okay, so less than 15 of value, what is that? Less than 15 of values is that all the 1, 2, 2 is not there. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Isn't it? Okay. So the search key of the value it should be greater than or equal to 7. Okay, it should be greater than or equal to 7. Okay, so equal to means we take the value of 9 and 7, isn't it? Okay, but the given is that equal to 7. Okay, so we cannot consider the value of 9. Okay, only take the consider 5, 7, isn't it? Okay, able to follow me? Okay, so then another one given less than 15. Okay, less than 15 isn't the top the value we taken for 9, 11, 13. Okay, but given that greater than or equal to 7, isn't it? Okay, so I will take the value of 5, it should be equal to 7 and then less than 15, isn't it? Okay, so I choose the answer is 5. Okay, so how it is possible? Okay, so get all the records with the search key. It should be greater than or equal to 7. Okay, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7 are equal to 7, isn't it? Okay, so the less than 15. Okay, so above 7 for 9, 11, 13, isn't it? Okay, but given the question only the greater than or equal to 7. Okay, so the answer is 5. So the nearest of that is greater than or equal to of 7. Okay, the less than 15. The answer is 5. Okay, so option it should be the answer. The dash is 5. Okay. Okay, the next, the simple question, which is the following correct? B tree are sorting on the disk and B plus trees are main memory. Range queries are faster on B plus trees. B trees are primary indexes. B plus trees are secondary indexes. The height of the B plus tree independent of the number of records. Okay, so it is very simple question. Which statement is correct? Okay, so B trees are sorting a disk. B plus trees are in the main memory. Okay, B and B plus R is stored in the main memory. Okay, but stored data on disk in a B plus tree. B plus trees are stored in the main memory. Okay, B and B plus trees are uh, uh, some pros and cons are there, isn't it? Okay, so the better you can use instead of B and the B plus tree in a DBMS concept. Okay, so this is, I think, not correct. Okay, this because B is a disk and then B plus is a main memory. Only all the file organizations are stored in the secondary storage. Okay. The second one, arrange queries are faster on B plus trees. Okay, so this option is wait. Okay, so option C and D. Now we discuss. B trees are primary index. B plus trees are secondary indices. It's not correct. Okay, so same indices are used for both B and B plus tree. Okay, the height of the B plus tree independent of number of records. Number of records வச்சு தான் okay sorry. So we assume that not a number of records using in a balanced tree. Isn't it okay? So this option is not correct. Okay, so the range queries are faster on B plus P. Isn't it? Range queries means in a B and a B plus tree, all the nodes are start from the leaf node. Isn't it? Each leaf nodes are it should be take in a query. Okay, so the previous question we discussed. Okay, get all the records stored in a memory equal to okay equal to or less than 7, okay, and sorry, greater than 7 and or less than 15. Okay, that is a range of queries. Okay, so it should be considered in that of when find the answer to the from the leaf node. Okay, so in this question the option B is correct. The range queries are faster on B plus trees. Okay. Okay, the next question consider in the B plus tree. Okay, so B plus tree is very important. Okay, so consider the B plus tree search key 12 bytes long, block size 1024 bytes, record pointer is 10 bytes long, and the block pointer is 8 bytes long. The maximum number of bytes that can be accommodated in each non-leaf node of the tree is okay. So the B plus tree using the memory of it represent we take the assume that variable m. Okay, so how to store the maximum amount of value stored in the tree. Okay, so again I read the question. B plus tree The record pointer is 10 bytes long, the pointer is 8 bytes long. The maximum number of keys that can be accommodated in each leaf node in the tree is. Okay. But we can take order of the tree. Okay. So how many measure hours are we using? So given the equivalent to 1024 bytes, isn't it? Okay, so the each pointer is stored in the non-leaf nodes. Okay, so the value of B plus 3, we assume that 12, 8, isn't it? Okay, so 8 is m minus 1 is 12, isn't it equal to 1024, isn't it? Okay, so 8 m minus 1, m is 8 minus 1, okay, so 7, okay, 7 into 12, okay, how much? 7 into 12, okay. In 84, isn't okay. Okay, 34, okay. So 34 plus வந்து ஒரு 2 add பண்ணனா okay. So how much? 42, okay, 43 plus வந்து 8. அப்ப m ஓட value that is 51, okay. So since the maximum order of the value in the node of leaf nodes, okay, non-leaf nodes, it should be 51. Up the maximum number of key on the size is 50. Okay, so the option B is correct. Okay, then so the next question. The next slide given how to find the output of previous questions. Okay, so refer this slide how to find it. Okay, then the next question using in the top B tree. Okay, so the following key values of B plus tree, which order the internal node is 3 and the leaf node is the 2. The sequence given below. The order of internal nodes is the maximum number of the tree pointers in each node, and the order of the leaf nodes is the maximum number of data items that can be stored. The B plus tree is initially empty, so given the number of 10, 3, 6, 8, 4, 2, 1. This is okay unordered. So the maximum number of times leaf node would get split up as a result of this insertion. Okay. So option A, B, C, D. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So after inserting a record of after inserting a record of in a B plus tree, okay, so internal nodes is 3, isn't it? Okay, leaf node is 2, okay, so upper we take the inserting value is okay, so 2 and then 3, okay, 2 and 3, okay, so inserting record 6, 8 to 4. Can able to follow me? Okay, 6, 8 to 4, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so which is the middle node of is 8. Okay, so I take the intersection node of 8. Okay, so before that we inserting the node of 6 and then 4. Okay, so now inserting the record 6. Okay, so after split the record of 1 3 6, then another one 8 4 2 1. Okay, the leaf nodes, it should be stored in a order manner. Okay, so the maximum number of times given to split the record of 6 4, another one uh, 2 1, isn't it? Okay, so the order of internal nodes, the maximum number of 3 pointers in each node, the ordered leaf nodes are maximum data items can be stored. Okay, so the maximum data items can be stored in that of order. Okay, so we can find the which is the insertion of least node will split the record. Okay, so the answer is 4. Okay, because 1 2 then 4 1 2 3 4, then 6 8 10. This is the order, isn't it? Okay, so 1 2 3 4, this is the worst case. Okay, so that is one of the case. Okay, so another one we stored like that, taken the of 8. Okay, yes, 6 8 10. Okay, so the weightages of the weightage of the b plus tree is given the worst case of, we have to split up 6 4 2 1. Okay, so the 2 is not a split up. Okay, because this is one of the leaf node. Okay, so after inserting one is not possible because this is the first node of using in a leaf node. Okay, so the correct answer is option C 4. Okay, so uh, so that's all, students. The file organization in DBMS. Okay, uh, file organization is a very important concept in a physical memory concept in DBMS. Okay, because each transactions are stored in a secondary memory. Okay, we can anytime take data from the database. All the data are stored in like in a memory. Okay, so this is a very important usually in the top database concept. Okay, so thank you, students. If you have any doubt